Hi, Domenica here from easysewingforbeginners.com. In this quick tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to use a needle threader. Now, you may have come across one of these in a sewing kit and wondered what it is. I'm going to be showing you how to use that, and I also have a different type here as well that I'll show you after. Okay, so to use this type of needle threader, you need to grab your needle and put this thin wire part through the eye of the needle. Okay, and it should just sit on your needle threader like that. And then you would pass the thread tail through that wire part on the needle threader. And then you would simply pull that needle off the threader and then pull your thread through. Okay, so that's an easy way to thread your needle using one of these needle threaders. Now, the downside of these is this wire is very thin and they can break very easily, although they are quite cheap to buy. Okay, so I'm just going to show you this other type of needle threader as well. So with this one here, it has hooks on either side. So I'm just going to see if this larger size will fit. Yes, so you just place your needle over the hook, and then you need to put your thread over that hook part, and I just like to hold it down like that. And then as I'm holding the thread down, I bring the eye of the needle back over the hook and pull my thread through. Okay, so very easy. So I prefer these ones, but you are restricted with the size of the needle. The eye of the needle needs to fit over that hook there, whereas these ones have a little bit more flexibility, but they can break a lot easier. Okay. Now don't forget to check out my other related videos by clicking on the I button above, or even looking in the description box down below. I'll show you another nifty way to thread a needle, or you can even see my video on how to tie a knot in thread. And also check out my other tutorials for how to use a sewing machine or other easy sewing projects as well. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.